Do you see stars? This is an apple pie, possibly the easiest and quickest apple pie made without an oven. It's delicious. And the simplest of ingredients, 2 apples and an egg, plus the basics. Yes, that's true, believe it or not, that apple pie was made from just these 2 simple ingredients. 2 apples, 2 ugly apples, and an egg. And no oven. Of course, we need basic ingredients just like flour, salt, and sugar, and oil. Stay with me and let's make this easy apple pie, or call it apple cake, whatever you want to call it. It's easy and you will like it. By the way, your kuya here, Romulo. Welcome to channel 1. Warm welcome to all of you. This will be a very quick video. In fact, it will be mainly a tutorial. It can be boring, but the instructional value is high. Stay with me. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romulo at the kitchen. Despite the simplicity of the ingredients, you will find the list in the description box. Let's combine the egg. Just 1 egg, it doesn't even matter which order you want to combine them. 1/4 cup of cooking oil. You can mix them now, but we can also wait until we add the next ingredient, which is the milk. Again, no particular order. 1/3 cup of milk. Preferably full cream milk. If you prefer evaporated milk, will even make this cake or pie even taste better, richer. Sugar. You can also combine the sugar with the other dry ingredients, but it doesn't matter to mix it now. Salt. Plus this vanilla flavoring. It's vanilla flavoring sugar. You can also use the liquid form. As an option, you can combine the vanilla sugar and the flour together and just add them here later. We also need 1 tablespoon of vinegar. The vinegar makes the cake fluffier. It reacts with the baking powder to give the texture and extra rise. And we're adding now the flour. The vinegar can be added at this stage as an option. Observe later the effect it has on the dough. Okay, let's set this aside for now and let's prepare the apples. Slice the apples into, say, 1/3 to 1/4 inch thick. One-fourth is preferable. And using a cookie cutter like this one, this star shape, you may use any shape you have. Cut the inside and where the seeds are of the apple. If you're wondering where I bought this star-shaped cookie cutter, just ask it in the description box. I think it's available in the biggest store in Manila. It's the biggest store that just opened. Now, does this look Christmassy? Now, we'll use a non-stick pan. Ideally, if you have a non-stick pan, use it and let's paint it with butter. Be generous with butter. It's your anti-stick formula. And sprinkle it with sugar. And we assemble the apple topping. It's on the bottom, but it's actually the topping. I really feel Christmassy. How about playing some Christmas song? And fill the cavities, the star-shaped cavities, with more sugar. Now, pour the dough. Observe the dough. Look, that's what the vinegar can do to a dough. Can you see the dough? It even begins to rise. I transferred it for better handling. The glass mixing bowl was too heavy. The volume of the dough may look insufficient, but just spread it. The vinegar will even expand it. It's enough. See? Use your widest burner, but set it at the lowest setting. And let's cook this apple pie. Covered. Fully covered. I don't have a proper lid, so that's why I'm using aluminum foil. And while waiting for that, let's do some painting jobs. Let's apply butter to this plate. Be generous. We need it later. It should be smaller than the diameter of your pan. After 20 minutes, look what we have here. It's cooked. Now let's break it loose from the pan. That's the reason why a non-stick pan is needed. Just shake it to break it loose from the pan. Is it loose now? Just shake it. It is. It is. It is. Now let's grab that painted or buttered plate and place it on top of the pan. Flip it over and voila. Effectively, we've turned the pie. Let's cook the other side of the pie, this time uncovered, for 5 more minutes. How easy can this be? Look at our apple pie. Manang Grace is with me today. That's why we're giving her the opportunity and the honor to have the first taste. Manang Bagim. It's really delicious. She loved it that she took home some slices for her husband. Sweet. Sweet treats for sweet someone. Thank you for joining us here today on Channel 1. And I hope you've learned something easy, something fast, and something delightful. See you on the next video.